7 herbs that will help you treat type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is the most common type of diabetes. This illness comes along with elevated blood glucose levels when your body doesn't produce enough insulin or when insulin is improperly processed by your body. This keeps the glucose in your blood instead of burning it for energy. To prevent this type of diabetes, it is recommended to exercise and eat a healthy diet. However, if you want to go further, you should learn about certain herbs that can help you treat type 2 diabetes. Just remember that none of these herbs can stand in for medical treatment. It's about giving your body some extra help, not ignoring medical advice. 1. Turmeric. The first herb we'll tell you about that can help you treat type 2 diabetes is turmeric. In Ayurvedic medicine, it is appreciated for its numerous health benefits. Because it is an anti-inflammatory, turmeric is recommended for arthritis and cardiovascular illnesses. Thanks to its active compound, curcumin, it helps lower blood sugar levels. All you have to do is consume a bit of turmeric every day to help lower glucose levels and help stop the advance of diabetes. 2. Ginger. Another herb that can help with type 2 diabetes is ginger. It is associated with the ability to relieve everything from a cold to digestive problems. Over the years there have also been studies done to dig deeper into the properties of this root, and several of them have shown that it helps treat type 2 diabetes. A good way to take advantage of the powers of ginger are to take 1/2 teaspoon, 2 grams, of powdered ginger every day for 8 weeks, on an empty stomach without any other food. Because it is an anti-inflammatory herb, it also helps reduce inflammation in your body, inflammation that can lead to eye problems in people with diabetes. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can help stabilize blood sugar levels because it reduces the absorption of glucose after eating. It also helps lower cholesterol. There are 2 main types of cinnamon, and cassia is the most effective for lowering glucose. However, be careful because taking this variety over a long period of time may cause liver damage. To prevent these side effects, we recommend using the Ceylon variety if you plan on taking it daily. Otherwise, try cassia once or twice a week. 4. Black curry. Black curry is another herb that's good for treating type 2 diabetes. The seed helps reduce lipids in your blood, fight inflammation and bacteria, protect your heart and liver. When you have black curry, your blood sugar levels may decrease by up to 50, depending on the numbers. 5. Aloe vera. This plant is good for you in so many ways. From soothing sunburns, healing wounds, and protecting your hair from UV rays, to weight loss and treating type 2 diabetes. Aloe vera lowers fasting blood sugar levels. To get the benefits of the plant, it is recommended to have a little bit of fresh aloe vera juice on a daily basis. You can add it to your smoothies or make a refreshing water out of it with cucumber and lemon. 6. Berberine. Berberine is an extract of a plant that is not well known but that may have remarkable abilities for treating diabetes, such as lowering levels of lipids and sugar in your blood. It also reduces inflammation. However, it should be used with caution because in excessive amounts it may have side effects. The two most serious ones are stomach pain and flatulence. If you want to use this herb, we recommend trying it for a week to see how your body tolerates it and to watch out for side effects. 7. Blueberry leaves. We've told you before about how eating berries can help prevent type 2 diabetes. But another option is to use blueberry leaves in tea form. You can see great results this way, including lowered blood sugar levels after drinking the tea and a reduction of dangerous glucose spikes. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 10 blueberry leaves. Preparation: boil the liter of water and once it reaches full boil, add the blueberry leaves. Let steep for 10 minutes and then remove from heat. After this time, enjoy as a tea, in a smoothie, or as your water for the day. Try to avoid adding any type of sweetener.